focus now and talk about Uttar Pradesh, because here, amid the ongoing showdown over the ASI survey in Sambhal last month, a fascinating discovery has now emerged. An ancient step well or Baudi, which is believed to be over a century old, has been unearthed during an excavation drive conducted by the ASI. Located in the Lakshmanganj area of Chandosi, as this step well is estimated to be around 125 to 150 years old and built around an impressive 400 square meters. The excavation that started on the 21st of December, and the officials say that this step well was built during the reign of the King of Bellary, which is really fascinating about the recent findings and the stunning mixed design of marble and brick construction with 4 chambers that showcase incredible craftsmanship of that time. Let's take a look at what the ASI has uncovered in Sambhal.
Right now I'm here inside the step well that was discovered by excavation team 2 days back while they were digging this area. During their process, they were able to discover this step well that is spread over 400 square meters. Let me show you. This step well has got 3 stories. First story, there is marble is being used, and here you can see the concrete is being used. The importance and significance of the step well is that this was constructed by forefathers of King of Bellary. And let me show you. Look at this. It looks like a tunnel-like structure, but basically these are the compartments where actually the soldiers used to hide, and they used to use this step well as their transit point and keep check of the movement of invaders here in this area. Let me go further deep inside. See, it looks like a tunnel-like structure, but what the authorities are saying that this is not basically the tunnel. Maybe they are further digging. It looks like a tunnel-like structure. And here you can see the deeper we go, and these are basically the compartments where the soldiers used to hide and keep check over the movement of invaders. And it has got the 3 stories. The first 2 stories, you can see the marble is there, and then here the brickwork is being done. And the excavation is still continuing. The digging process is still continuing here in this area. Let me show you further things. And see, this basically, if you talk about this step well, this construction work is in semicircular form. It's in semicircular form, and still the digging process is going on. अभी तक क्या-क्या दिखा है इसमें?
इसमें भैया अभी ये कोठी दिखा रहे हैं। पुराने जमाने की कोठी है। 3 मंजिला नीचे है अभी, 28 फुट और नीचे है, अभी 6 फुट खुद चुकी है। अभी पता नहीं क्या निकले, अभी तो फिलहाल ये मट्टी और रोड़ा निकल रहा है, जिसमें हाथ चलाने में बहुत परेशानी आ रही है।
अच्छा, तो यहाँ क्या-क्या है अभी?
अभी एक कोठी है, घूमती भी कोठी है, आप देख लीजिए, आपको दिख रहा है, पुराना कोठी है।